Hi guys, I'm Paul Pluter, the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III. Today is a very, very special day indeed. Today I don the white gloves. That's correct, fuckaroonies. I don the white gloves, okay? I don the white gloves, fuckers. I don the white gloves. And I have this very special unboxing. Before we start this, a quick wristwatch check because I invented the wristwatch check. I'm wearing a Patek Philippe. It's a Patek. It's a Grand Classique. It's a 5035 annual fucking calendar. It's the governor's watch. Okay, let's do an unboxing. This is my 4th Lifetime Achievement Award. And without further ado, I would like to present my 4th Patek Philippe. So let's don some gloves, don the gloves, and let's start this very, very special tribute to the Pontiff's Pontiff. The Pontiff, fuckers, the greatest YouTuber in the world. Okay, fuckaroonies, let's go. Okay, this is a Patek Philippe, my 4th Lifetime Achievement Award. This is a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe, fuckers. I would like to dedicate this Lifetime Achievement Award to Rodent 1, you lousy fuck. And I would also like to mention honorably Rodent 2. Stick this up your ass, you fucking asshole. And I would also like to dedicate this Patek Philippe to Gin in Town, you jealous, treacherous snakes. And I would also like to dedicate this Patek Philippe to all the fucking cunts from Kenmore State High. You lousy fucking shits. This is my 4th Patek Philippe. So let's open the fucker up. So let's open the box. So firstly, we have the standard Patek Philippe box. And then we open the subsection up. We have the coffinus Octus Factopopulus, and then let's deal with the paperwork, and then we will proceed to the Patek Philippe. So firstly, we have the the standard Patek box. It has the ribbon, the posh upmarket fuck you ribbon, the fuck you ribbon. So old money. Old money. So it's very, very delightful. Very delightful. So we'll put this. This is the Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe. Thank you so much, Patek. So that's the outer box. Now let's continue. Let's have a look. So with this Patek Philippe, we have, this is my 5127. We have the leather folder. This is like the papers for Rolls fucking Royce, you rodents. Rolls Royce. So we open the books. 1959 Silver Cloud Series 2. So inside here we have a few books. Let's have a look. So right at the back there we have the distributors, official agents, distributors. This lists all the distributors for Patek Philippe throughout the world. And then we'll go into the next book. The next book I have here is we have an envelope. And that there is to allow the Patek Philippe owner to join a very exclusive club, the Register of Patek Philippe Owners, Patek Philippe Geneva. So an invitation to subscribe to the Patek Philippe International magazine, fuckers. So that's just it's a nice little thing. I like to keep these just in the original condition. Then on the other side, we have a book here which explains the movements, the bowel movements of the piece. So this here basically lists all the movements, and it tells you how to set the little fucker. So very, very interesting book. And finally we have the Patek Philippe. This is the certificate of origin. This is the papers, that's correct. Very, very cool piece of information here. We've got the papers. So here it's got all the serial numbers, movement numbers, case numbers, and it also mentions who owned this. Who owned this Patek, Mr. Archibald? It belonged to Boris Orlov, O-R-L-O-V. Who is Boris Orlov? Well, he was an Olympic medal winning gymnast and gym instructor in the Soviet fucking Union. That's correct. This watch here belonged to a very extraordinary character, Boris Orlov. That's correct. That's who this Patek belongs to. The very special fuckaroonies, Boris Orlov. So why don't you Google Boris Orlov? That's B-O-R-I-S. Boris Orlov, O-R-L-O-V. Russian gymnast. He bought it in April 2008. So there you go. That's exactly what this is here. This is the papers for our Patek Philippe. So very nicely, it folds up. Old money always smells nice. So there you go. That is the papers. The papers for the Patek Philippe. So there you go. Now let's take a look at said Patek Philippe. Let's take a look. So it's got the coffin type box. This is, you know, if you go to an expensive funeral, you see expensive coffins coming and going. This is the same coffin type wood here, which is, you know, for a lifetime achievement award, you wouldn't expect anything less. This is the best of the best. Patek Philippe, fuckers. So I'd like to present the prize for Lifetime Achievement Award on YouTube. This award here is a Lifetime Achievement Award for services unto oneself. I award the prize, a Lifetime Achievement Award, to Archibald Chesterfield III, the Pontiff's Pontiff. Now let's open this little fucker up. Fuck, this is hard to open with gloves on. And there, new money. There we go. We have the 5127, beautifully presented there. So, what can I say? Indeed, it's a absolutely gorgeous Patek Philippe. Absolutely gorgeous. Listen to this. You hear that? No other brand sounds like that. It's Patek Philippe. Actually, Vacheron and AP in certain models, but it's just just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy to take the Lifetime Achievement Award for services unto myself. So there we do. We have the Patek Philippe, and I got to tell you, I'm actually very, very pleased to have this model here. This model here, the 5 what the fuck is the reference? It's a 5127. Very similar to my 5107. The 5107 came out in 2003. This came out 2005. The main difference is it has a more curved bezel. The 5107 sort of flatter. This piece here, these pieces here, the 5127, they came with two movements. You could either get them with a 315 SC or the 324 SC. SC center seconds. This is actually a 315. This is one of the earlier ones. They had two dial variations. They had one with 57 dots and 60 dots. Just where the date, there's ... isn't on this one. On the later ones, they had ... So, which one is rarer? This here, I bought this watch here because this fits in to the golden age of Patek Philippe. The golden age of Patek. So this here was 2008 watch, and it has the Geneva seal instead of the Patek seal. It fits into my collection of the golden age. So I'm very, very happy. This wouldn't be rhodium plated. This would be the white gold. So I think that's a cool thing. Some people like the rhodium plating version. Absolutely beautiful display back. The only thing I'm going to do with it is I'm going to get a longer strap. And I got this watch. I'll tell you where I got it from. I got it from Sydney Watch Exchange. Sydney Watch Exchange. So all my Pateks, the two complicated ones came from Vintage Watch Co. And the two Calatravas, they came from Sydney Watch Exchange. So that's where I got these watches from. I'm very happy to have it. I love having a I love the 5127. That's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful watch. Absolutely adore it. So I am very, very lucky. So very happy, very lucky. 4 Patek Philippe's, fuckers. 4 Patek Philippe. So there you go. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and tell me what do you think of 4 Patek Philippe's. Okay, guys, until next time, ciao. And to Rodents 1 and 2, fuck you. To the other sniveling YouTubers who want to have a go at me, fuck you. I got 4 Pateks. So, guys, that's the way it works. Until next time, ciao, fuckers.